Good afternoon, Avon. I'm Avon Fire Chief Bob Spur coming to you with our latest COVID-19 update. It is May 7th and it's about 12:35 in the afternoon as we're filming this. Joined as always is Avon Health Agent.
Kathleen.
Hi, Kathleen. And our special guest today is the school superintendent.
I'm Chris Godino, Superintendent of Schools.
Welcome, Chris. Nice to have you on here today.
Thank you.
We're going to start off today on a little bit of a somber note. As most people, I'm sure, are aware at this point, longtime Avon Selectman Robert Brady passed away. We'd like to pass our condolences along to the family of Mr. Brady and to all his other co-workers. Bob was a longtime supporter of the town of Avon and the people that worked in Avon. He was always fantastic to the public safety departments. He's going to be sorely missed. We want to pass our condolences along to them. It's a trying time, but our best for them to get through this. Let's move on to the numbers and get into our normal course of business. Nationally, the known cases, there's 1,247,800 positives. And nationally, there have been 73,231 fatalities. Here in the Commonwealth, we are at 72,025 positives and 4,420 fatalities. Kathleen, how are we on a more local level?
Norfolk County has 6,610 positive cases. Plymouth County has 5,899 positive cases. Avon has 56 positive cases. And of that, 29 people have recovered, which is good to hear.
Excellent. What else is going on town facility status wise? Everything is the same, although I can say we have a task force that is working on, what does reopening look like on the town hall side, and, the various things like that. So we are working on what that process looks like right now. But at the moment, everything is the same. Kathleen, anything they need to know? Where do we stand on like governor's orders and stuff?
Yep, just a couple things. The governor's mask order is, not mask, it's a face covering order, is effective as of yesterday. So any place you go, similar to the one we had, like I said, you need to have a face covering. The other thing is, I don't know a whole lot about it, but I guess he has opened golf courses with necessary precautions. I'm assuming social distancing. Like I said, I don't know the complete guideline, but I believe they're open as of today.
Okay.
And lastly, locally, Walmart has closed effective yesterday. It was Walmart's on taking to close their stores, and this is so they can test all of their employees. They'll remain closed until they have enough negative tested employees to reopen safely. And that's enough.
Excellent. So, Superintendent Godino, what have you got to tell us about the schools?
So although our buildings are for the most part closed, we have quite a bit going on in the schools. And it's nice that I was invited on this week because it is Teacher Appreciation Week.
Excellent.
And our teachers are working very hard to implement the remote learning plans that we have in the school. And to show our appreciation to teachers, we have been doing some virtual games with them all week long and challenges, and they've been doing fun things like creating school cheers and interpretive dances, and we've been trying to add a little levity to a time that has been challenging for all. And our parents and students have created some wonderful videos for our teachers to show them how much they miss them and appreciate them. And I really have to say, when I speak about teacher appreciation this year, it's a little different because our parents and guardians and family members have become our co-teachers, essentially. We're all working together to get our students through this challenging time. And I'd really like to thank our families for supporting us in our work. So our teachers have been busy. They've been contributing videos to ACAM. And I don't know if anybody has had a chance to see them, but there's videos of teachers reading stories, giving cooking lessons, teaching students how to make scrapbooks, more of enrichment type videos, which have been really fun. And we're looking to create a whole block from 10 to 11 each day. And there are also videos that our Butler teachers have made. So there's a couple of videos about the Butler teachers expressing how they miss their students. There's also a video of the Butler teachers dancing, which to the song "We're All in This Together," to kind of show our families that we're supporting them and working with them. And I know there are many questions about our graduating seniors. So we have put out a survey to the senior parents and students. And as of right now, it looks like we're going to postpone graduation until the end of July or early August. We don't have a date as of yet, but we're continuing to work on that. And with that, our senior advisors, Matt Farrow and Jay Donovan, are working with Principal Stockwell, Assistant Principal Centurino, and many other dedicated Avon Middle High School staff members to create some activities and events for our seniors. Unfortunately, they're missing out on a lot of those real important activities this year, such as prom and senior banquet. And hopefully we'll be able to do some nice things for them in the upcoming months. I'd like to thank the Avon Middle High School boosters for providing senior signs to all our senior graduates. They were dropped off to their houses on Monday. So I know the students were very excited to get those, which is nice. And then administrators and teachers are really working on our other celebrations. We have 8th grade graduation, 6th grade graduation, kindergarten graduation. So we're planning all of those big events. And people are trying to be very creative on how we can get those to happen. And our bus drivers, we've kept very busy. They've delivered over 100 Chromebooks to Butler students, over 50 devices to Avon Middle High School students. They've helped out delivering lunches to families who can't make it to our schools to pick up lunches. They delivered the senior signs, and they'll be making sure our families get anything they need from the schools. So they've been doing a great job. Thank you to them. And speaking to devices, the ASA has donated $10,000 to the schools for the purchase of Chromebooks. And this is a very generous gift that comes at a critical time. So thank you very much to the ASA. And our food services department, we're much busier at the schools than people may think. They started providing lunches to the students in the senior citizens of Avon. We started that on March 17th. And from March 17th until the end of April, they have served 2,705 meals.
Wow.
So we continue to serve those meals. So students may pick up meals at the Butler School Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 11. And any senior citizen who has the need to participate in this program should contact the Council on Aging. And we really can't thank our food services department enough for all they're doing for the community. Our administrators at central office and our secretarial staff have been keeping everything up and running, the machine working. So thank you to them. And I really would like to express my condolences to the families who have lost family members to this virus. Staff and students have lost family members. It's been a very difficult time. I know you mentioned in the beginning the passing of Bob Brady and how sad that is. And our thoughts and prayers are with all of our family and staff members who have suffered losses, our community members. And to summarize, I would like to say the school department has been working in ways we have never worked before. And I greatly appreciate the dedication of our entire staff, our families in the community. You know, change is hard, but our school community has certainly risen to the occasion. So I'm very proud of the work they've done.
Excellent. Thank you for the update. I know the people that watch us will appreciate knowing what's going on in the schools. And thank you to the teachers. We do appreciate them. Teacher Appreciation Week is definitely something, none of them signed up to have to teach this way. And,
Right.
It's a big change for everybody.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you for what you're doing there and what they're doing there. Quick around the table, do we have anything else that the people need to know today?
Nope.
Okay. Well, thank you. Avon, as always, thank you for watching our updates. This is our move to a Monday, Thursday schedule. Our plan is to be back with you next Monday. You're doing a good job. Keep it up out there. Stay safe. Goodbye.
Bye.